Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a short video on a one-year result from a younger guy that came in from out of state for a repair case. And this kid is in the medical field, and he went and had a low-yield strip case done in the Midwest at a well-known facility. And it just wasn't dense enough for him. And so last Christmas he came down and we did a second strip on him and really packed him. So you can see in this picture he's trimmed down, and then we put the hair in, and then he takes off that night and goes back home, and we didn't see him in person until a year minus 2 days from his previous surgery when he came down to talk to us about doing more hair. All right, Steve, you came in here from out of town, and we did a repair case on you a year minus like 3 days from now, and you look good. Don't say where you got done before, but was reasonably honest with you, and it's turning out kind of like what we talked about.
Yep.
Any advice you got for any of these characters that might look at this video? I know your face is not on this.
Just be very patient with your results and everything.
Patience is, it does suck. That's the hard thing about hair.
Yeah.
And man, he looks awesome.
He looks great. Where are you going to put more hair in there?
Yeah, there's no room. And the other thing is he's a young fellow with a family history of significant hair loss. And so I think it would be awful to take that kid's money and take his donor hair and do something with it foolishly at this age.
Yeah.
So hopefully we beat it into him that not only are we not going to do hair right now, but he shouldn't do it someplace else until he needs it. So for all you young guys that are thinking about hair transplants, look at our young guy videos and bring your parents, and if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.